The desert. Many words have been used to describe it. Now you can add one more. Dangerous. So we'll be going right down this. Just like that. Careful, man. Doable. It's doable. It's doable. It's doable.
Howdy.
What brings you folks to the park today?
We were gonna hike up Flatiron.
Well, I've got some bad news. We're actually full and they're instructing me to turn people away.
Really?
Yeah, that's what I said, really.
Just for that trail or specific?
The whole day use area is full.
All right, I'll pull it up on my map here too. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Yeah. What the fuck?
Everybody in it.
Check it out over here.
Okay, so here's what's going on. We're out here doing Flatiron. To get to Flatiron, you gotta take, what's it called? Siphon Draw Trail. So we went to that trailhead, which is the Lost Dutchman State Park, and we were turned away because they said they were full. So we went a couple miles up the road to the Tonto National Forest, where you could just pull in a park, you just go up a little dirt road. And we're taking Jacob's Crosscut Trail back in so we can connect with Siphon Draw Trail and ultimately do Flatiron. So that's what's going on. Turning back, or we can keep going? It's gonna take us a few hours. Right now it's, holy shit, it's 1:10. Connecting in, Siphon Draw. I remember this. Yeah, I remember all this now. Last time we went on down that way. But today we're going up, straight up, into that crevasse, that canyon. Yep. Rocky as hell. So we're already 2 miles into this thing. We're gonna be up there. That's the Flatiron.
Yeah, in the middle.
Not that part. That
I
part.
know.
Oh, I didn't know
That
that.
one.
Okay. Alright. Here we go. It's gonna get a little tougher. We're 2 miles in, we're already sweating. It's in the middle of the day. Sun. A lot of sun, no shade. So I had to cinch up the boots a little bit for this climb we're about to do. Turns into a scramble when you get in the canyon. Just as always, once you get to the top, the views are worth it. Get some great shots. You guys went all the way up?
Not quite.
It's all good. Is that praying hands right there? I think so, right? Gorgeous, huh? You guys were already up and on the way down, or? Oh, nice, nice. Oh yeah, at least you got the shoes on, huh? Yeah. See you up there. I don't even know. I mean, that's so far up there. That's pretty crazy, man.
Good.
Oh yeah. That's nuts. All the way up?
Oh yeah.
All the way.
Oh my god.
You guys are like
Oh my god.
Halfway-ish.
No, worth it when you get up there though.
Exactly. This is crazy. Beautiful. I didn't know it was all this. Just smooth sailing from here and just slide down. Yeah, yeah, the shuttle's at the top. We gotta go down too. That thing's so far away still. What's up, guys? Piece of cake.
Yes, sir. Pedazo de pastel.
How's it going? All the way up? You know all the way? Nice. Very nice. Here, go ahead.
How's it going?
Going good. Easy stuff.
Yeah. It's beautiful though when you get there.
It's worth it.
Like,
always worth it, right?
Oh yeah. Have you done this before?
Not this one.
Oh okay. So yeah, first time.
Still got a long ways to go, huh? Keep going up. The last little push. Yeah, this is worth capturing, you know? Butt here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There's a shortcut. This is crazy. Your shoes work pretty good?
Yeah, lately they are like
Your Columbia shoes?
Columbia shoes and
No.
pretty nice.
Those are brand new. Broke in today. These I've done a few hikes in.
Oh my god, there's something on the back. Oh no, look at that. This is why you need fucking shoes like that.
Tommy, look at that big old thing stuck into me.
Set it up for you.
Oh, thank you. You saved my life.
Stuck on my... Pitachos.
What the heck?
This hike has been promoted by Pitachos.
All right, so we've gone 4.6 miles because we had to do that extra because we had to park farther away. Elevation gain 2,625 feet. Yeah, we've been about 3 hours into it. We've been hanging out for like the last 10-15 minutes. We're gonna head down soon now and see you at the bottom.
That's gonna be challenging.
To be fair, I think I might have started this idea.
So we'll be going right down this. Just like that. Doable. On the way down. You ready? Right. All right. It's like 4:03. We're heading down. See how long this takes. Going down is more sketchy than going up.
I don't see him.
Okay, 6:45, 6:44. We made it back. Had to use the headlamp to get back like the last 30 minutes. It got dark on us.